Hello everyone, thank you very much for returning to watch a new tutorial. This week's project is a small vase that I got from Redesign with Prima. As you can see, the surface is quite flat and I have envisioned something else for it, so I'm gonna do some molds, so let's get it started. I had these molds already done since last week, I think, and as you can see, the resin dried and it's cured and it's not bendable anymore. So now with the heat gun or with the hair dryer, in my case, I heated it and it became flexible again. And when it is already bendable, I applied the glue and now I keep it warm so that the mold stays flexible. I finished and now I put some masking tape on top of it and leave it like that. I press firmly and leave it like that for probably an hour, something like that. I go all over it. And it's now time to take off the tape. It is all in place, looking great. Heat it again a little bit more. So this is the mold. It has, as you can see, two designs, and I put one of them on one side and the other on the other side. I think it's really beautiful, and yeah, I like it. And now I start to paint it. I go for graphite from Annie Sloan, put some on my mix mat, and I come with the hair dryer again and I dry it fast. This way I will get some very nice texture, you will see. Now I think it's fine, yeah. And I start to apply. I have a cheap brush, very inexpensive brush, and I apply it all over the surface by tapping. Now I take the hair dryer again and I dry it. All that texture is really beautiful. And now with some chalk paste from Redesign with Prima and some metallic paints from Prima, I come over the graphite and I create some shades of different colors, cement, some brown, and the gold, of course. And I dry them faster with the hair dryer again. So this is a coat 2 of paint, let's say. And now I come with the same graphite and I hide a little bit of the gold, actually a little bit more, because I just want a little bit of the shimmer underneath the paint. You will see later on how I will make this more vivid, the gold. But I wanted to create layers of gold, different shades of gold, one on top of the other. So after applying it, I come with a wet towel or this small napkin and I clean the excess of the graphite. And with the black wax, now I'm coming with a brush. This brush has already some brown from some previous projects, but I'm happy to get also some brown shadows on the piece. And I spread it very nicely everywhere, also on top of this cream, the cocoa. And I go heavy with it. And I come after that with the clean microfiber cloth and I remove all the extra. And then through all that texture, I have now black wax, which really makes the piece look old. I really like. I hope you like it too. And now with some gold gilding wax, I come and I just feather this gilding wax on top of the molds. It looks old, it looks really nice. I like this two-faced vase idea. I think it's really nice. Whenever you get bored of one side, you can turn it and you have another vase. I like it. It brings this old vintage atmosphere that I want to create here in the B&B. And if you like this project, let me know. It's really a quick and fun project, so you can really try it. You can order all these products from redesignwithprima.com. Until next time, next week, thank you very much for watching. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to leave a comment below. Thank you. Bye.